I think Legally Blonde should be required viewing for incoming law students. Well, I'm a South Sider, so White Sox. Tavern style. I love the old building in the law school, the old wood panel, the stained glass. Places like Lincoln Hall and Booth Hall are just so special and such an important part of Northwestern Law School's history. I'm inspired by my family first and foremost. My amazing wife, Katie, my children, Taylor, Nate, and Hazel. They're all wonderful, amazing people, and they're willing to put up with me. We have a 1-year-old dog named Coco, who is a lot of trouble, but an important part of our family. I think the challenge in practicing law, especially for young lawyers, is really figuring out where you fit. One of the things that I found very rewarding is when you get to sit down with a client or with another lawyer, and you get to really work through a problem where at the end, everyone can walk away, maybe not with everything they want, but better than they walked in the room to begin with. I think people often think that being a lawyer is like being a lawyer on TV, like in Law and Order, that you're standing up in court all the time, objecting and interrogating witnesses. But the truth is that most of the work of lawyers doesn't look like that at all. It's really all behind the camera. There's only that last little bit when you find yourself at trial or in the deal room. But most of the work of being a lawyer is the hard work of identifying problems and trying to find solutions. Well, Atticus Finch is really the classic, but we're more of a My Cousin Vinny, Legally Blonde household. I think Legally Blonde should be required viewing for incoming law students because it actually has an important message about how the law works. If you stand up for yourself, if you make the best arguments, you can actually get to the right outcome. But it also shows that when you come to law school, you're going to meet all sorts of people from all sorts of different backgrounds, but they're all going to bring something different and interesting to the conversation. Chicago is an amazing legal community. We have so many leading lawyers and judges right here, just a few blocks away from the law school. And really any kind of law you want to practice, you can practice in Chicago at the highest level. The law is not just one thing. The law is everywhere. It's complicated, it's interesting. It's not just speed limits, it's not just the Supreme Court. It's every day, every minute, we've got law all around us.